1 kg chicken, 1 cup of oil, whole garam masala, paste of 4 onions, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoons of cashew nut paste, 200 grams of curd, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, almonds and pistachio for garnishing. Heat oil in a cooker. Now put chicken in oil and fry it for few minutes. Now bring it out in a plate. And keep aside. Put whole garam masala in oil and let it crack. Now add onion paste and fry it till golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and saute it. Add red chili powder, coriander powder and salt. Mix it well. Now add cashew nut paste. Add chicken and mix it well. Now add curd. Saute it for few minutes. Add 1 glass of water and cook up till 2 whistles. Your delicious chicken curry is ready.